Hey guys, who's ready for another glam unboxing? This package here is super exciting, especially since we also have a giveaway coming up with this brand. I gave you guys a couple of hints of what's inside and who it's from. Let's see who got it right as I begin my unboxing. You guys will instantly know how luxe it is once I start taking out all the goodies inside. You guys already know I'm a big fan of this company, so I'm super excited to share with you guys again. So let me start off with the small details just to give you guys one more try at a guess. So here it is. We have a little matchbox here. If you guys can't read, it says Thompson Ferrier, and it is the luxury candle brand. I've shared it with you guys before. It's one of the leading luxury candle brands on the market. Once I pull out this candle, you'll know exactly why. All of his pieces are super unique. Besides that, the aromas are incredible. You guys know I'm a big fan of candles in general, being a home decor and interior stylist. So here it is. Let me just put this box here. I have my silver chrome elephant candle to die for. Gorgeous. It's just such a statement piece. I love his candles. They're a perfect addition to any decor just because, as you guys can see, it's such a unique item. This is the most recent one that I chose. It's the elephant style, as you guys could see, and it's in a gorgeous chrome silver mirrored color. You guys know I love anything mirrored and chrome, so perfect for my house. Actually, I wanted to also share with you guys a previous candle that I received from the company, which is a Sagano candle, super luxe, as you guys could see. I have it styled in the entryway of my home. So gorgeous, and they just really make such a pop to your decor, and I absolutely love them. It comes in a bunch of different colorways, and the scents are just amazing. It's definitely a luxe candle. It's not something that you normally see on the market, and it's definitely not something that you could pick up at your local department store. Super gorgeous. I am obsessed with everything Thompson Ferrier. I can't wait to light this baby up. I'm probably going to be styling right next to my bed, so I have those amazing scents when I wake up in the morning. And not only does it have a beautiful and unique design, but it's also high-end on how it's made. It is hand-poured, and it is made from a soy wax blend. It also has 2 wicks, as you guys could see, for a clean burn. So it is definitely an incredible candle in every single way. It is a statement piece, like I said. It is the perfect gift. Gift it to your family, gift it to your friends, gift it to yourself. It will instantly elevate your home decor. I am in love with them. I wanted to just show you guys one more time the Sagano candle that I have. It has like this bamboo detail. It comes in a bunch of different colors. And here is the elephant one more time. They have a bunch of different colorways and a lot of different styles. There's a gorgeous Buddha one. They even have a massive elephant that's for the floor. So it's like a floor candle. It is incredible. It is one of the most gorgeous candles I've ever seen in my life. And there are a bunch of different scents to choose from. Whether you like a dainty or